Hey guys, Chris here, and in this video, I'm going to be comparing Pipedrive versus HubSpot. We'll compare both companies in terms of their features, pricing and user experience, customer support, and a whole lot more. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding of which one's best for you. And by the way, if you'd like to sign up for either HubSpot or Pipedrive, make sure to use my links down in the description. With Pipedrive, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all the features for free using my link, compared to a 14-day free trial without it. And with that in mind, let's get started. Let's kick things off with an overview of both HubSpot and Pipedrive. Pipedrive is a CRM designed for small to medium businesses. It was launched in 2010 and has since gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and focus on sales pipeline management. The platform's main goal is to help businesses close deals faster by providing a clear overview of the sales process from lead generation to conversion. HubSpot, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive CRM that caters to businesses of all sizes. It was founded in 2006 and has been consistently ranked as one of the top CRMs for its wide range of tools and integrations. HubSpot offers not just sales pipeline management, but also marketing automation, customer service management, and analytics. Now that we have a brief overview of Pipedrive and HubSpot, let's dive deeper into their features. Lead management is a crucial aspect of any CRM, as it helps businesses track their leads and convert them into customers. Both Pipedrive and HubSpot offer lead tracking and management tools, but with different approaches. Pipedrive allows users to create customizable sales pipelines with drag and drop functionality, making it easier to track leads through the sales process. HubSpot, on the other hand, offers lead scoring and segmentation tools to help businesses prioritize and target their leads effectively. When it comes to ease of use, HubSpot and Pipedrive are known for their user-friendly setup and interface. Both provide straightforward, intuitive dashboards that offer essential sales funnel data. Pipedrive is very easy to navigate, and its drag and drop feature makes it simple to customize according to specific business needs. HubSpot, on the other hand, can be overwhelming for its new users due to its comprehensive features and tools. However, with some time and training, users can fully utilize its capabilities. Another important factor to consider when choosing a CRM is its ability to integrate with other tools and platforms. Pipedrive offers over 150 integrations with popular tools such as MailChimp, Trello, and Google Apps. HubSpot has a similar number of integrations available, but it offers its own suite of marketing and sales tools that seamlessly integrate with the CRM. This makes it a more all-in-one solution for businesses. Contact and lead management are important features of the best marketing CRMs like HubSpot and Pipedrive. Pipedrive allows building an unlimited contacts database, offers lead and deal management, customizable pipelines, and other features depending on the plan. It also provides a visual representation of communication history with contacts and merges duplicate data. When it comes to email marketing, Pipedrive seamlessly integrates with top email apps like Gmail and Outlook, except for Essentials. All plans include customizable email templates, merge fields, group emailing, email scheduling, and click tracking. On the other hand, HubSpot offers various email marketing features like team email, email scheduling, tracking and notifications, and email templates. You can link your HubSpot account to a leading email solution such as Office 365 and Gmail. And when it comes to reporting and analytics, Pipedrive offers a robust analytics dashboard to track essential metrics such as sales goals, performance, and conversion rates. It also allows users to generate custom reports for deeper insights. HubSpot provides in-depth reporting tools that allow businesses to analyze their marketing and sales data across various channels. It also offers predictive lead scoring, allowing businesses to identify the most promising leads for their sales team. One important aspect to consider when comparing Pipedrive and HubSpot is the customer support. In the realm of customer relationship management, robust customer support can be the deciding factor between maintaining loyal clients or experiencing customer churn. Pipedrive provides customer support features, including a 24/7 chat and email system for user assistance. The company emphasizes rapid response time and comprehensive help guides to help customers navigate the platform effectively. On the flip side, HubSpot offers an extensive knowledge base that users can tap into at any time to seek solutions. Their customer support encompasses phone and chat options with different levels of access based on the subscription plan. For those with higher tier plans, HubSpot provides dedicated customer support representatives who can offer more personalized assistance. When it comes to CRM solutions, pricing is an essential factor for many businesses. Both Pipedrive and HubSpot offer tiered pricing models that cater to various business needs and budgets. Pipedrive's pricing structure is designed to accommodate the diverse needs of businesses ranging from small startups to large enterprises. They have an essential plan for basic CRM functions at $14 per user per month. The advanced plan offers more capabilities at $29 a user per month. The advanced plan offers more capabilities at $29 a user per month. The professional plan is for more extensive needs at $49 per user per month. The power plan is for companies needing robust features at $64 per user per month. And lastly, for large organizations or those needing enterprise-level services, there's an enterprise plan at $99 a user per month. To alleviate the burden of commitment, all Pipedrive's plans comes with a 14-day free trial that's accessible without the need for a credit card. And by using the link in the description below, the 14-day free trial will extend to a 30-day free trial, allowing potential customers to test and evaluate the full spectrum of features available on the platform. In contrast to Pipedrive's approach, HubSpot structures its pricing into two distinct categories to serve different market segments. For individual users and small teams, HubSpot introduces a trio of scalable options, starting with the free plan. At no cost, this plan provides foundational tools necessary for getting started and requires no credit card to begin. For those ready to take the next step, the starter plan comes into play at $30 per month if billed monthly, offering an essential collection of marketing, sales, service, CMS, and operations software. For professionals who demand a more robust set of tools, the professional plan, priced at $1,781 per month, boasts a comprehensive suite of marketing, sales, customer service, CMS for operations software designed to accelerate growth and streamline processes. For big businesses, HubSpot offers two special plans. The professional plan is just like the small team plan, but it's for big organizations. Then there's the enterprise plan, which costs $5,000 a month and has the most powerful features for marketing, sales, customer service, CMS, and operations software made for the biggest enterprises. If you want something affordable, Pipedrive is a good option for small to medium-sized businesses. For big businesses with more needs and money to spend, HubSpot's higher tier plan might be the best choice. It all depends on what your business needs and can afford. So, both Pipedrive and HubSpot offer powerful and robust CRM solutions that cater to different business needs and budgets. While Pipedrive excels in providing intuitive sales management tools with its user-friendly platform, HubSpot offers a wide array of features for all aspects of customer relationship management. I recommend taking advantage of the free trials offered by both Pipedrive and HubSpot to test their features and determine which one suits best for the company's goals. Whichever you choose, you can be sure that you have a powerful tool at your disposal to help drive growth and success for your business. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up for either HubSpot or Pipedrive, you can use my links down in the description of the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching and take care.